Just the other day, we had a June thunderstorm. It was marvelous. I love going outside in the shelter deck and just kind of watching it come, and the rain just pour down. I can connect with God in that instant. It started me thinking about, well, how much rain falls in a thunderstorm on just our little local area, the lake? 9 miles, square miles, about 3 miles by 3 miles. And the other day, in an hour, it rained 3 inches. They have an app for that, it turns out. So I put it in and calculated it out. And in 1 hour, over our little lake area, 9 square miles, it rained 500 million gallons. Think of it. That 500 million gallons at 8 pounds a gallon is billions of pounds of water just floating in the sky that fell down on this little 9 square miles. So I did this video about it. Hope you enjoy it.